Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the weekly chart of Newage Inc. Now first understand the overall construct of the chart and then we are discussing about the levels. So as you can see here that after a consolidation in the year later part of 2014 and the entire year of 2015, the stock has started moving up from 2016 and it has risen by 3299% by 2017. Then it has seen a sharp fall, then it went up to $8. So if I extend this level a bit, so it has given you a return of 4000% from 2016 to 2018. But meanwhile, what has happened, if somebody was observing the trend by then or the long-term chart by then, he or she obviously found out that the stock is in consolidation rather than in an upside or in a downside. So this is what you can observe in the overall chart or what the current stock price is saying right now. So first of all, whenever the stock goes into a consolidation, and as you can see here, we can probably find out that the consolidation was started in 2016 itself. Because we have volatility, okay, and the entire range you can find out. So this is the range of consolidation. So the one thing you need to understand here is that we cannot predict about the timing. So how much time will it take inside this consolidation range? We don't know. When will the breakout happen? We don't know. What we do know is about the levels which are important inside the range and what is the trend one should look for, and that's what we are going to discuss here. So let me just draw all the important support and resistance level. Okay, now here we have, so these are the levels which are important. So inside this range you have your lower support at $1.3 and your higher support at $7.3. Now one should not go below $3.2 if the stock started falling down. So this is the final support which you need to look at. Now the way the stock has moved, you have your first or immediate support at 2.56 or $2.6, then you have 1.96 and your final support will be 1.32. Now on the upside you will have your first target at 3.64, then we are looking at a target which is as high as 7.37. So we are not going to move beyond 7.37 on the upside. Okay, so we have to trade in between 1.32 and 7.37. Now because the stock is trading in the center, now what will we predict here? So as I told you, first of all the stock falls certain support levels, then you need to take your positions decision accordingly whether you need to hold or sell before it hits 1.32 or lower. Now if it holds the way it is, then the probability is moving higher compared to the probability of moving lower. Why? Because whenever the stock hits the lower end of the range, it will reach the upper end of the range and then again started falling down. So here we have our upper end of the range at 7.37. So here you have the lower end at in 2016, then upper end at 2017. Then the stock has seen its lower end in 2018, then upper end in 2018, and it has retested in 2019, then again started falling and made a low in March 2020. So this is a trend, and if we follow the same trend, we can see the probability of moving higher and retest its previous high at 7.37 is much more lower compared to moving low. So this is the reason why we are focusing on the upside rather than the downside. But as I told you, because it is in consolidation though, so the upside is limited in nature. So what we are focusing here are specifically two targets in the long term. One is 3.6 or 3.7, then we have 7.37 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.